How to get $100 El Pollo Loco promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in El Pollo Loco promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can just scroll down. You can go through any of the website. For instance, I will be selecting this one, Coupon Bars. Once you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. Now you can scroll and check out $10 off, likewise 10% off, 20% off, and so on. El Pollo Loco is a popular American restaurant chain specializing in Mexican-style grilled chicken and other Mexican-inspired dishes. The name El Pollo Loco translates to the crazy chicken in Spanish. The chain has expanded significantly over the years and now operates hundreds of locations across the United States, primarily in the southwestern and western regions. El Pollo Loco prides itself on using fresh, quality ingredients and preparing its food in-house daily. In order to get offer on El Pollo Loco dishes, you can use these promo codes. Go ahead and click on the offer that you are interested in. Just click on it. With that, you will get the code. I have selected 20% off one code. Now I can copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code. Now I can head towards the website of El Pollo Loco, and whenever you check out, you can apply this coupon code. Likewise, you can also check out other website options. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 El Pollo Loco promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.